Our topic is squares. When a number is multiplied by itself, the product so obtained is called the square of that number. Means 3 is multiplied by 3. When we multiply 3 by 3 means when a number is multiplied by itself. So 3 is multiplied by 3. It can be written as 3 raised to the power 2. It can be written as an exponent where 3 is base and 2 is exponent or power. And we all knows that 3 multiplied by 3 is equals to 9. Here 9 is the square of 3. How we will read it? It can be read as 3 square or 3 raised to the power 2. Base is 3, 3 raised to the power 2. Similarly, if we have to find square of 4, square of 4 means 4 multiplied by 4 because the number is multiplied by itself. So 4 multiplied by 4 is equals to 16. Next topic is perfect squares. The square of all natural numbers are called perfect square. For example, square of 1 is equals to 1, square of 2 is equals to 4, square of 3 is equals to 9, square of 4 is equals to 16 and square of 5 is equals to 25. Here 1 is a natural number, 2 is a natural number, 3, 4 and 5. All these are natural numbers. And we can also observe one more thing, that square of a natural number is also a square. 4 is the square of 2 and 4 is a natural number. 9 is the square of 3 and 9 is a natural number. 16 is the square of 4 and 16 is a natural number, and so on. Here 1, 4, 9, 16 and 25 all are the examples of perfect squares. Now the question arises, how can we define whether a number is perfect square or not? So we will clarify this in our next topic. To determine whether a given number is perfect square or not by using prime factorization method, we have to follow certain steps to clarify whether a number is a perfect square or not. Step number 1. Write the number as a product of its prime factors. I have taken one example. We are finding or we are checking whether 484 is a perfect square or not. So according to our first rule or first step, write the number as a product of its prime factors. So we need to find the prime factors of 484 first. 484, it is divisible by 2 because its unit digit is 4, so it is divisible by 2. After dividing by 2, we got 242. Again its unit digit is 2, so it is divisible by 2. After dividing it by 2, 121, it is divisible by 11 and further divisible by 11. So we got prime factors of 484 are 2 multiply 2 multiply 11 multiply 11. So our first step is complete. Second step, make pairs of the same numbers of prime factors. Means the prime factors which we have obtained in step number 1, we will make their pairs in step number 2. First pair is of 2 multiplied by 2 and second pair is of 11 multiplied by 11. Pairing means in a pair there can be a maximum of 2 numbers, not more than 2 numbers and not less than 2 numbers. Our second step is completes here. Step number 3. Check for unpaired factors. Means we have to check whether there is any prime factors of 484 which is not paired. No unpaired factors are found here. Here there is nothing left. So our step number 3 is complete. Step number 4. If there is no unpaired factors, the given number will be declared as perfect square. Otherwise, it is not a perfect square. So here no unpaired factors are left in step number 3. Therefore, by step number 4, we can declare that 484 is a perfect square number. Thank you.